My name's Art Chiaverini. Welcome to our 220-room Kimpton Hotel, located here in Fredericksburg, Texas, and welcome to our site. We started last March. If you look right now, today, it's like a beehive. Inside, we have a restaurant which will be open to the public. Conference center has a kitchen for events, which is going to be absolutely beautiful. We've made record pace with site work. In a year, we've made record pace with utilities. We're making record paces with the concrete. The thin wall that you're seeing out here, 4 rooms per day. We installed the lifeblood for the building, all of our utilities, all of the hydrants, everything was live. The building was ready to plug in 10.5 weeks. And that was after moving 50,000 cubic yards of dirt. Record time, only because every day we set goals, we met every morning, we discussed our goals. Everyone could get together in one room, spend a minimal amount of time, less than a 40-minute morning meeting, saving hours. And to me, it saves me at least 3 to 4 hours every day with the DroneDeploy on a 22-acre site. Try and set the flights at the same time of day so we can gauge productivity, especially when we're using the measurement aspect of the program, putting in all the water lines, sanitary lines, storm. When we were doing the actual cut and fill, the 50,000 yards, being able to estimate exactly what we've done as far as production each day for the fill. I mean, it's very transparent. Everything we do, they can see daily what's been done between the drone flights daily or the 360 walk through the building. Our model room was built in Houston. Now, we'd love to bring all of the electricians and the plumbers and the carpenters to the model room, but you can't. But with the 360 camera, each and every one of them has spent time in the office looking at where they are at rough-in, where they are, what mirrors go where, what vanities, so you can actually see a finished room of exactly what you're building here in the field. I'll give you an example. This property was owned previously by a Wimbledon tennis champion. It was a tennis camp, and in the back here was a lake. Our geologist, who normally would have to visit the site to see proof rolling, to see site conditions, never once had the Houston geologist had to step foot on site. Everything was done through cameras and DroneDeploy. DroneDeploy speaks in every language. I can walk through with a camera, I can fly a drone, it speaks every language. And right there, those are just the little simple things that you don't think about, but when you actually get to use the tool, you go, son of a gun, I never thought about that. If I take these laborers and show them a walkthrough or show them the model, it's amazing. You don't even have to say anything, just show them the pictures. In 47 years, this industry has incredibly changed. And just when you think you've seen it all, something new comes out. When I finally do retire, if I ever do, I'm gonna miss the growing technology because it's been a lot of fun. When I came to work for this company on this particular project, my selling point was I build people. People build projects. The labor on the shovel is just as important to the success of the project as I am. As a matter of fact, even greater. Everyone that's involved in this project, I am certain, is going to step up to another level.